Konnichiwa, food lovers, and welcome to the heart of Japan's culinary scene, Osaka. This is a city that doesn't just eat food, it lives and breathes it. Known as the nation's kitchen, Osaka is a paradise for anyone who loves to eat. Today we're diving deep into the city's gastronomic soul to bring you our top 10 must-try culinary experiences. Whether a seasoned foodie or just looking for a new flavor adventure, get ready to explore the delicious world of Osaka. Let's begin the countdown, starting at number 10. Number 10, the Art of Takoyaki. Kicking off our countdown at number 10 is the quintessential Osaka street food, takoyaki. These savory octopus balls are filled with tender octopus, tempura scraps, pickled ginger, and green onion. The chef's technique is a true performance, flipping each ball for a golden brown exterior and a gooey inside. You'll find countless stalls throughout the city, especially in Dotonbori, where the aroma alone pulls you in. Takoyaki originated in Osaka in 1935, created by a vendor named Tomokichi Endo, and it became a symbol of the city's down-to-earth food culture. It's the perfect introduction to Osaka's incredible street food scene, a simple dish that delivers big flavor and street-style charm. Whether you're strolling through the city or grabbing a quick bite, takoyaki is a must-try for anyone visiting Osaka. It's a delicious symbol of the city's vibrant street food culture. Number 9, Kushikatsu. Osaka's iconic deep-fried food on a stick, beloved by locals and visitors alike. These golden brown skewers are made by coating meats, seafood, and vegetables in a light batter, then frying them to crispy perfection. Each bite delivers a satisfying crunch, and the variety means there's a kushikatsu skewer for everyone, even cheese lovers. The real fun is dipping your skewer into a communal sauce pot, but remember, no double dipping. For the best kushikatsu experience, head to Shinsekai, where traditional eateries have served this specialty for decades. Once a popular, affordable meal for workers, kushikatsu is now a timeless Osaka favorite enjoyed by all. The lively atmosphere and interactive dining make kushikatsu a must-try when exploring Osaka's vibrant food scene. Whether you're grabbing a quick bite or sharing plates with friends, kushikatsu delivers flavor, fun, and a true taste of Osaka. Don't miss out on this crispy, delicious Osaka classic. Kushikatsu is street food at its best. Number 8, exploring Kuromon Market. This bustling destination is a must-visit for food lovers eager to taste Osaka's vibrant street food culture. Kuromon Market is often called Osaka's kitchen, stretching over 580 meters, and home to hundreds of vendors offering everything from fresh seafood to sweet treats. The market is a culinary adventure. Watch scallops grilled to order, tuna expertly sliced, and oysters shucked right before your eyes. Sample fresh uni, sweet grilled corn, and a variety of other delicious bites from the lively stalls lining the market. With roots dating back to the late 19th century, Kuromon remains a vital hub for locals and visitors seeking high-quality food and authentic flavors. It's the perfect place to try a variety of bites in one visit and experience the true heartbeat of Osaka's food culture. Whether you crave fresh seafood, grilled snacks, or traditional sweets, Kuromon Market delivers variety and authenticity in every corner. Number 7, Okonomiyaki. This beloved Osaka specialty is a must-try for any food lover. Often called a Japanese savory pancake, okonomiyaki is endlessly customizable and full of flavor. Ingredients like pork, shrimp, or squid are mixed with shredded cabbage into a batter for the classic Osaka style. Everything is combined before cooking on a hot iron griddle, creating a hearty and satisfying dish. Once cooked, it's topped with a sweet and savory sauce, creamy mayonnaise, dried bonito flakes, and seaweed powder. Many restaurants have griddles built into the tables, so you can cook your own okonomiyaki for a fun, hands-on experience. Sharing and making okonomiyaki together is a great way to feel like a local and create delicious memories. Whether you like yours loaded with toppings or keep it simple, okonomiyaki is Osaka comfort food at its best. Don't miss the chance to try this iconic dish. Okonomiyaki truly captures the spirit and flavor of Osaka. Number 6, fresh sushi and seafood. Osaka's reputation as a seafood paradise is well-deserved. As a major port city, Osaka offers an incredible variety of fresh, high-quality seafood every day. From casual conveyor belt sushi to high-end omakase, the sushi scene here is both diverse and delicious. Don't miss local specialties like batera, pressed mackerel sushi that showcases Osaka's unique preservation techniques. Many restaurants in Namba and Umeda serve seafood caught just hours before, ensuring every bite is remarkably fresh. The skillful preparation and vibrant flavors offer an authentic taste of the ocean for every seafood lover. Whether you're sampling sushi at a bustling market or savoring sashimi at a quiet counter, Osaka's seafood is a must-try experience for any food enthusiast. Number 5. Dotonbori's food scene. Welcome to Osaka's most iconic district where food and excitement fill the air. Dotonbori is a feast for the senses. Neon lights, bustling crowds, and endless rows of restaurants, food stalls, and izakayas. Here you can sample Osaka's best street foods, takoyaki, okonomiyaki, grilled meats, and fresh seafood, all in one lively place. The spirit of kidaori, eat until you drop, comes alive in Dotonbori, making every meal an adventure. Wandering the vibrant streets, you'll discover hidden gems and local favorites just by following the delicious aromas. The energy here is contagious. Food is at the heart of Dotonbori's nightlife and culture. Whether you're grabbing a late-night snack or sitting down for a full meal, Dotonbori has something for every appetite. No visit to Osaka is complete without experiencing the flavors, sights, and excitement of Dotonbori's unforgettable food scene. Number 4. Local ramen varieties. Osaka's ramen scene is a delicious journey through flavors and traditions. From rich, creamy tonkatsu to light and savory shoyu, Osaka offers a bowl for every taste. Many of the best ramen shops are small, tucked-away gems, each with their own secret recipe for broth. Toppings are carefully chosen. Think melt-in-your-mouth chashu, soft-boiled eggs, and fresh green onions. Some shops highlight Osaka's coastal access with unique seafood broths and seasonal ingredients. Sampling different ramen shops is a must. Each bowl tells a story of local flavor and passion. Ramen is true comfort food in Osaka, perfect for a quick lunch or a late-night meal with friends. Whether you crave classic flavors or bold new twists, Osaka's ramen shops promise a memorable, slurp-worthy experience every time. Number 3. Izakaya culture. Step into the lively world of Japanese-style pubs, where food, friends, and fun come together in Osaka's vibrant nightlife. Izakayas serve a wide variety of small, shareable dishes and drinks, perfect for gathering with friends or meeting new people. Try favorites like yakitori, crispy karaage, and a variety of small plates, all paired with sake or a cold beer. The relaxed, welcoming atmosphere makes izakayas the perfect place to unwind after a day of exploring Osaka. From hidden neighborhood gems to lively city center spots, each izakaya offers a unique taste of local life and flavor. Izakaya nights are all about sharing good food, great company, and the true spirit of Osaka's culinary culture. Number 2. Osaka's sweets and desserts. Osaka is a paradise for anyone with a sweet tooth, offering a dazzling array of traditional and modern treats. From wagashi like daifuku to colorful fruit mochi, traditional confections are delicate, beautiful, and crafted with care. Modern delights include creamy matcha parfaits, fluffy pancakes, and inventive pastries found in local bakeries and cafes. Tea houses and dessert shops across Osaka blend tradition and innovation, making every bite a unique experience. Markets like Kuromon are perfect for sampling sweets such as fruit mochi, dorayaki, and other local specialties. Many desserts are as beautiful as they are delicious, perfect for photos and for satisfying your cravings. Whether you love classic Japanese confections or modern sweets, Osaka's dessert scene is sure to leave you smiling and wanting more. Number 1. Taking a local cooking class. This is the ultimate way to immerse yourself in Osaka's food culture. In these hands-on classes, you'll learn about Japanese ingredients, traditional techniques, and the stories behind each dish. Guided by local chefs, participants prepare Osaka favorites like takoyaki or okonomiyaki, gaining skills and confidence along the way. The interactive setting makes learning fun, and you'll get to enjoy the delicious results of your efforts. Cooking together creates lasting memories and a deeper connection to Osaka's vibrant culinary traditions. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a curious beginner, a local cooking class is a rewarding and delicious adventure. You'll leave with new skills, great memories, and a true taste of Osaka to bring home. There's no better way to experience Osaka's food culture than by rolling up your sleeves and joining a local cooking class. So there you have it, our top 10 must-try culinary experiences in Osaka. From sizzling street food to hands-on classes, this incredible city offers a gastronomic adventure around every corner. Which of these culinary experiences are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great travel videos. Arigato gozaimasu for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.